We are going to understand the working of this breadboard, and we shall also you make a circuit, simple circuit. So we can use a multimeter to understand its connections. For now, we can try start from this side. Let's put this inside. We are going to understand the connection now. Can check the continuity. This shows there is no continuity. So let's understand how are they connected. Yeah, so as we have tested, it shows that this line is connected from this point up to here. So let's know whether it comes up to this side. No connection. So it shows that this part is from this point to here, and it is a different part from here to there. So also this side also applies that to the other side. And in case of for your connection, you can make one to be the positive one, the other one the negative one. So you have understood this, so that from this point up to this, they are interconnected inside. But when it comes to this side, they are not connected from this to this. It's only from here to there. And there is a disconnection that shows that from here to there, they are interconnected. So when we put this here, we expect it not to be connected. Which is what it, yeah, and from here it should be connected because they are at the same line, this one. Yeah, so they are connected. So that's how they are connected. That is, this part is different from this part. So let's understand the other side, this one. Can put one there, another one here. See, they are not connected. So let's try the other way. Yeah, they are connected. So as you have seen there, so that this line is connected from here to there. And all of them are like that. They are connected this, but they are parallel to each other. So this one is not connected with this one, but they are connected from this point to their point, and this one to that point. But from here to there, they are not interconnected. So we can use a simple circuit to understand it. We can make this to be positive. This one is negative. We input our power here. This is a positive. This is our negative side. Can use a jumper wire. So this goes to positive at this point, like that. And another one. And another one that is for the negative. So maybe this point up to somewhere like this point. So let's use this. As you can see, that is the long one is the positive and the shortest one is the negative. So this one positive comes here positive, so it's connected like that. So this one is the positive comes this way up to here. The negative follows this way and is up to this point. So we should connect it from positive to negative like that, then switch on. You see, so that